Okay, everyone, I'm back. Sorry about the technical difficulties, but I finally came to the conclusion of what happened. Basically, two things could have happened. One, I still use GameMaker 8, not 0.1, but I use the Pro Edition. So in my version, you can set variables to text, not just numbers. But apparently in 8.1, they decided to get rid of that useful feature. So now we kind of have to redo this really quick. Easy to fix though. So left, I basically created a little direction system that instead of setting player direction, or point direction, sorry, I changed it to player direction. Instead of setting that to left, I set it to 1. So left is equivalent to 1, up is equivalent to 2, right is equivalent to 3, down is equivalent to 4. So you probably just want to scribble that down on a piece of paper really quick for the future of your game, because GameMaker decided to remove the useful function of setting it to text. So now under our press space, we're going to need to make some changes here. If point direction is equal to 3, which is now right. If player direction is equal to 1, which is now left, and so on. Just change it so it matches whatever you set it to in the 4 cardinal directions. So now, finally, is all you've been waiting for, it's gonna work. So we run our game here. Come out, we can bam, 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 bam. See, whatever direction you're pointing in, it shoots in that direction. Ta-da! Okay, I've gotten over my stupid spot today, so we're good now. So now we can go back in and add a little bit more coding to these bullets. Well, under the bullet we'll say if we have a collision with wall. Oops, no. I messed up. Ignore this. Okay. Add event, collision with wall. We're going to destroy the instance. Basically, get rid of it. Collision with wall. I'm just going to do this for all of them. Your main one, little trash can. Okay. Okay, keep going. Okay, so now when it ever collides with a wall, it will destroy itself. So now, under the enemy, add event collision with bullet right, it will destroy itself. So basically we're destroying the enemy when it collides with the bullet. And we're going to have to do that for all 4 bullets. And like I said before, you can save a lot of time if you get Pro Edition, because you can just rotate the bullet and like do a little bit of advanced coding and you will be all set. You only have to do this for one object and it's great. But until then, you're just going to have to deal with it. So, we should probably have the bullet destroy itself when it collides with an enemy, because otherwise you could just like line up a bunch of enemies and shoot them. So I'm going to right click on the collide with wall, duplicate, collision with enemy, so it will destroy itself when it collides with the wall or the enemy. And I'm just going to do that for all of them. Not change, I want duplicate, collision with enemy. Okay, last one. Delete, duplicate, collision, enemy. Okay, so once you have all that set up, let's start running our game again. Okay, so now we have the ability to shoot, and let's try to take out our enemy before he takes us out. See, we just destroyed our enemy there with our bullets, and you can see that the bullets now destroy themselves and they can't go through the walls, which makes sense. So this is going to be the end of this tutorial. We're almost done the basic tutorial series. I think I'm just going to have one more that shows you how to add some objective to your game. And then we're going to go on to advanced, which is going to be a little bit more exciting, and I'll be proven to be stupid a lot more. So, thanks for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of our tutorials. And that's about it.